Well, that is just some crazy wind and snow happening out there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Doesn't seem to affect the dog at all. He loves it. He was just out chasing a hawk while the hawk positioned himself in the wind so he could float. The dog was barking his head off at him. Wow, look at that. Let's look outside. Can you hear that wind? Look at that. Go get him, Bandit. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. He'd rather play ball. I'll bring it here. Bring it here. Here. Bring it here. Good boy. Alright, here he goes out into the wild winter. Who else would want to play ball in weather like this? Good boy. Alright, time to turn off the video. Say bye. Who's there?